This is Unboxing Droid channel. Today I'm English quick unboxing and review Nubia Z20. In self the box, front side mini box and Type-C cable and free case, a C adapter and mobile here. Let's look phone. Nubia Z20 is a mid-range smartphone that comes with amazing features. It has a strong processor with a powerful battery that makes it apt for game freaks and other high-end users. It can further deal with heavy games and multiple apps consumption. On the other hand, the optics of the smartphone are equally good both rear and front. All in all, this device can be suitable for gamers, photography lovers or for those who need long power backup. Nubia Z20 comes with a 6.42-inch AMOLED display having a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels along with a density of 401 ppi. Can enjoy watching movies and playing games with the trendy aspect ratio of 19:5:9. In the optics department, the device presents a 48MP, 16MP and 8MP rear camera that can capture superb pictures. It also has 48MP and 16MP front lens, which meets the expectation of the users in terms of selfie pictures. Configuration and battery. Nubia Z20 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset that handles the overall functioning with ease. The device runs an octa-core processor at a frequency of up to 2.96 GHz, which is coupled with 6 GB RAM for lag-free user experience. The Adreno 640 GPU adds fine graphical effects to make gaming experience flawless. For the power backup, it depends on a huge 4,000 mAh battery that can last for a day, and on moderate use can extend more than